As humanity barrels towards a future in which digital technology and artificial intelligence permeate our every interaction, the need for individuals who are socially conscious, skilled, and equipped to navigate technological complexities has never been more urgent. Barry University is preparing to bridge digital divides by offering students unique opportunities to gain hands-on experience in cutting-edge technology sectors, enter pathways into technology careers, and meaningfully connect with industry leaders. Harnessing the power of Miami's vibrant startup ecosystem, featuring innovative tech companies and a community fostering growth and collaboration, the new Center for Technology Innovation and Education at Barry University will reimagine higher education as we know it. By proactively aligning with the tech industry for workforce development, it will grow and evolve our computer science programs, implement technology accelerators across all academic disciplines, healthcare, finance, the sciences, business, education, communications, and the arts. Invest in facilities and infrastructure, simulation and specialty labs, hardware, software think tanks, and focus on human-centered AI. Barry University graduates will be career-ready for any industry, equipped with a growth mindset rooted in ethics, social justice, and responsibility. This preparation ensures that their positive values will multiply year over year. Your investment in the Center for Technology Innovation and Education at Barry University will fund the student preparation needed to create a robust talent pipeline for ever-increasing tech demands in every sector. Will you join us in this unprecedented opportunity to break through?